Let's talk about hiccups. If you have hiccups for a few minutes, or maybe 1 hour even, it could be normal. You ate something wrong or ate fast and then you start hiccuping, then it could be okay if it goes away. But if it doesn't go away and stays for many hours or days, then you need to go see a doctor. It could be a problem in your neck, heart area, lung area, or diaphragm area. If there is a mass, infection, inflammation, or even cancer in these areas, then you could have hiccup. So you need to go see a doctor and get checked out. Thank you.